Going to be the elevator at Building 5 here at the Port Orleans Resort. That's Building 4. Here's out over to some of the other parts of the resort. Very beautiful property. This is 5, and we are going to ride the elevators, of course. I'm not going to get that lady who's getting off, because I don't want to get her on camera. Hello.
Hello.
It's number 5. Which I would assume right there is what it's saying, so we're going to go this way.
Yeah.
I like that balcony. It looks very old school.
I know.
It's probably back here. Here they are.
Yep.
Series 1 as well.
Yep. Of course.
Hello.
Mode, I guess. Really look like. Oh, the piano's on.
Unfortunately, but here we go up. We're on 3.
That Schindler glitch, Kone.
Yeah. There's your interlock. Yeah, thank you.
Switches are in there.
Oh, yeah, that's where the switches would be.
For the fan.
Just like all the other elevators here. Actually dropped a little bit there.
I know.
We'll check the other buildings, see if they're at least a little bit different. If not, we'll film them. If they are not different, we'll film them, but
Okay.
we won't. But if they are a little different, we'll film them, but we'll see. Because I want to have time to go over to Kissimmee.
Yeah.
Anyways, there it goes. And that's going to be it.